Hi guys, welcome back to geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on Microsoft Surface Pro 4 tablet. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most important part of the tablet repair is proper heating to separate the screen from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On Surface Pro 4, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic cut pry tools or triangular pickers and cut the adhesive around the screen. Be gentle while pulling, there are flex cables attached to the logic board. Now flip the screen about 90 degrees and start disconnecting the LCD video and touchscreen connectors. Before that, take out the protector shield by using a pry tool. Before replacing the new screen, we had to transfer some parts to the new screen. First, take off the protective shields to remove the LCD video connector cable, touchscreen cable and touchscreen PCB board from the old screen. Now on the new screen, add the touch PCB board and then plug both touchscreen connectors and add the shield. Next, start adding the LCD video cable and shield to the new screen. To finalize the screen replacement, plug in the LCD video cable to the board and follow with the touchscreen connector. And also do not forget to add shields to the board. Now to clamp up the Surface Pro 4, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. Slide in the top section first and then follow the bottom. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. It is useful if you can use cream bonding clips to tighten the screen to the frame. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.